two bad experiences whenever I wear sanitary pads. One is that I always get skin irritations, and the second is that I always get stains on my skirt. And I don't like it, it's so uncomfortable. I really have an active lifestyle, and most of the things that I usually do requires me to be on the move. So some of the things that I do is I go to school and take my MBA. I'm an actress on location, so I have to go from one place to another. And then I'm also a stylist, so it's really hard for me to have thick pads because I get to have rashes whenever I like run around and do a lot of things. So my dad let me try this quantum science sanitary pad, and I never really knew a lot about it. But what I've experienced was that I didn't have to change a lot, and it has a cool feeling on my skin, and it's thin enough for me to do all the activities that I usually do. Women experience itching and pain during menstrual period, and this is mostly caused by recycled and sterilized feminine napkins. But these quantum napkins, it uses state-of-the-art technology which provides active oxygen, negative ion, far infrared magnetic energy, and scalar energy. So this quantum napkin gives you the highest protection that you need, and it has the maximum health benefit that you want without the worries of chemicals and recycled materials. Ladies, this is a good investment for your health and comfort. Hi, I'm DYSMENORRHEA, and I'm a happy user of the quantum napkin for clean, fresh